Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
This video shows how to choose and physically install an NVMe SSD into a modern desktop or laptop. Confirm M, 2-slot type, keying, and PCIe lanes before buying. Turn off power, ground yourself, remove the side panel, and unscrew the M, 2 standoff. Slide the module into the slot at a 30-degree angle until it seats securely. Fasten with the screw, replace the panel, and reboot to confirm hardware detection and device presence in firmware. Enter BIOS to confirm the M. 2-slot is enabled and configured for PCIe NVMe operation. Enable UEFI boot mode and disable legacy CSM for best NVMe compatibility and speed. Install motherboard NVMe drivers if provided, or rely on built-in Windows NVMe support. In Windows Disk Management, initialize the disk as GPT with a 1 MB alignment option. Create an NTFS partition. Choose allocation unit sizes. Clone your old drive using sector-by-sector tools when moving an operating system to NVMe. Perform a full backup before cloning and validate the copy after completion. Leave 10 to 15% free space, or set over provisioning via the SSD utility to preserve performance. Install a heatsink, or ensure airflow if your drive reaches sustained high temperatures under load. Update SSD firmware with the vendor tool, but backup data before performing firmware updates. Use Secure Erase for a fresh state and register the drive for warranty tracking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.